All right, let's talk weather with meteorologist Kyle Roberts. Kyle, you can see outside a little dreary, looking a little gloomy. Is that going to change or?
Probably not
really?
throughout most of the day today. It's going to be. We're definitely not going to see just the abundant sunshine that we saw yesterday, unfortunately. But we are going to see maybe some breaks in the clouds a little bit later on today. If you live west of DFW, I think you have a good chance of seeing the sun, but not necessarily everybody going to see the sunshine today. As more changes have arrived in North Texas, this time it's a breeze from the south. Moisture is moved back into North Texas. That's why we have the cloud cover. That's why we have a little mist and drizzle across the area as well. So it's 51 on the campus of UNT in Denton. Normally we can see the buildings of downtown here from the view from Fair Park. Not so much this morning as that low-level cloud cover is out there. A little mist and drizzle falling, especially across the eastern portions of DFW. So kind of Collin County to Denton County, Ellis County out to Kaufman County, seeing mist and drizzle. Actual showers across our eastern areas this morning, stretching from Corsicana to Athens, out to Sulphur Springs to Gilmer. Even in those areas, it's just kind of spotty to hit or miss, and those will continue as we head through the remainder of the morning. There's your cloud cover at noon. You can see it's still cloudy from DFW to the east, maybe some sunshine across western areas, maybe a peak or two of sun later on today for DFW, but don't count on much. Showers will continue across eastern areas as we head into the evening and then into the nighttime hours. But here comes our cold front, so it brings even more changes tomorrow. Front will arrive in the morning, which means your high temperatures will likely happen first thing tomorrow morning, and then your temperatures will fall throughout the day. Out ahead of that front, some scattered showers and storms are possible, mainly across southern North Texas, but I can't rule out a little rain doesn't try to sneak into the DFW area around the midday hours or so, but all that should clear out as we head into the late afternoon and evening. Maybe some late day sunshine. Won't help you out too much, though, as that colder air does spill in behind the front. So today's cloudy and breezy, a little scattered rain, a little bit of drizzle, higher rain coverage across our eastern areas. Tomorrow, your temperatures will start off in the 50s. But during the afternoon, it'll be in the 40s thanks to that front, and there might be a little spotty rain and storms around during the day tomorrow. Higher rain coverages, though, for the upcoming week. In fact, good chance for rain Monday through Thursday. Rounds of rain potentially possible because that cold air is not going anywhere. Could be freezing rain across portions of North Texas as well. It's all going to depend on just how cold you're going to be through the upcoming week. This isn't a situation like we saw this past week where it was, well, are you going to get rain or are you going to get snow? It's going to rain. Of course, freezing rain is just rain that freezes once it makes contact with the ground. So it's going to rain, but if your temperatures are at or below freezing, then that rain turns into freezing rain and could create some slick conditions across the area. So Monday night and a Tuesday morning, best chances for that will be across western and northern North Texas. Cold rain for DFW. That freezing rain may retreat a little bit during the day on Tuesday, but it's just all going to depend on your temperatures. We're going to do it all over again Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, but by Wednesday afternoon and evening, it does look like it might be a little bit warmer, relatively speaking, above freezing across most of the area, which would mean a cold rain. Of course, as I mentioned, this all depends on the temperatures, so we'll continue to fine-tune this forecast, and it will get adjusted as we get closer. For DFW, I can't rule out icy conditions, but better chances the farther west and northwest you go, especially Bowie to Graham out to Abilene. I think that's where the icy conditions most likely, but we could have some icy conditions move their way a little bit more into the heart of North Texas as well. So we'll be watching all of this very closely as we head through the upcoming week. I don't see just, a crippling ice storm or something like that all across North Texas, but I do see some icy conditions, especially Tuesday and Wednesday morning, that could impact travel. So now's the time to just start being prepared and start paying attention to the forecast as we get closer.